Alright guys, so let's go see level 25 at Durango. I know there's sister properties of the Oquendo and the Covington. So they are sister properties, but this one is on Durango. So let's go check it out. This is so nice. Nice. Okay guys, so that was the level 25 at Durango. So let's go through the price sheet. So fees and deposits. Application fee per applicant is $60 non-refundable. Security deposit is $300 refundable. Administration fee is $300 and that is a non-refundable. A garage rent is $170 a month. But that is optional and you do have to be on a wait list because there's none available. Pet deposit is NA. Pet fee for one pet is $300 non-refundable. Pet rent a month is $30. Pet fee for two pets is $500 non-refundable. And for two pets rent, it is $50 a month. Two per pets up to 70 pounds each. Breed restrictions applies. See office for details. and this one you do have to make 2.5 base rent. Prices do change, guys, so what I try to do is every time that I go and see like an apartment, I try and put that video out the same day. That way you see the prices that I saw. But again, just be mindful, they do change daily. I don't know why, but they do. Utility charges are based upon consumption and payable with rent. Square footage does not include 2-car garages, and renter's insurance is required. These and the Oquando, they are pretty much very similar, you guys. They have the similar finishes. Just again, it is just in a different location. That is it. This one is on Durango Road, which is a very, very busy road, but you have Ikea, then you have the Durango Casino. So that being said, let's check out and see how far everything is out from these apartments. Okay guys, so you have Walmart, which is 7 minutes away from these apartments. You have Target, which is 9 minutes away. You have a Costco, which is 12 minutes away. Sam's Club is 9 minutes away. You have a Smith's on Tropicana, and that is 7 minutes away. That does have a gas station as well. Okay guys, so you have Albertsons, which is 7 minutes away. Trader Joe is going to be 10 minutes away. Sprouts is going to be 9 minutes away. Winco is going to be 17 minutes away. Whole Foods is going to be 13 minutes away. The Strip is going to be 19 minutes away. Fremont Street is going to be 24 minutes away. Ikea is going to be 6 minutes away. Okay, if you don't have a car and rely on transportation, you have plenty of bus stops near these apartments, you guys. Okay, you guys, so that was it. That was the level 25 apartments here in Durango, Las Vegas. Like I said, they are very similar to the Covington and then to the Oquando. They're pretty much very, very similar. Just maybe a little bit of different finishes. But this one actually is very similar to the Oquando. So again, it's just different area. This is on the Durango side. So this is on Durango Road, which again is a very, very busy road. So coming out will be a little bit challenging, but you know, something that you can do. The road is so large that it gives you enough time for both sides not to be so busy, so you can get out without any hiccups, you know. What I do like about it is that it's so close to the Uncommons, which is an apartment and then also like shops. Also, you are down the road from Durango Casino, which is a new casino that opened up last year, and you're only about 6 minutes away from it. So you're so close to everything, you guys. And what's behind the apartments, you guys, is more offices. So you have a lot of like doctor offices here. You won't have like a busy area, which is good because, you know, once 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock comes, everyone goes home. So yeah, it's just quiet. It's really nice. It does have a dog park, which is really nice as well. But one thing I do probably find a little bit annoying here in Las Vegas is that obviously it's Las Vegas. It gets boiling hot, even just for humans. So you can just imagine how hot it is for dogs that are wearing layers of fur. So I don't understand why they don't have any covered dog parks. I feel like that's something that it should be pretty much in every apartment here in Las Vegas, just knowing the temperature that it gets to. I don't take Ozzy out anymore, even though it is 88 Fahrenheit. To my little guy, it is way too hot, and I already had one scare with him, and that wasn't even in summer, that was in spring. So I just, yeah, unfortunately he hates it, but we do the best that we can. That's why he gets lots of toys. Alright guys, but that being said, if you did like this video, give it a good thumbs up. If you want to tour these places, I definitely recommend you do, just so you can get a feel for it. The tour guide was super friendly. I will leave her name down there. She took me to see like the gym, the community lounge, and then the 2 model units that she showed me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. I'm almost at 8,000 subscribers, so definitely give it a good thumbs up and turn on post notification bell. That way, as soon as I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. And if I missed anything, you guys, please leave it down below, and that way I would let you know. But yeah, I will see you in my next tour. Bye guys.